children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you take your workbook. Take your workbook. At the page number 22. Take your workbook at the page number 22. Identify the subjects and the objects in the following sentences. Circle the subject and draw a rectangle around the object. Okay. Circle the subject, rectangle the object. My brother paid the bill. Who paid the bill? My brother. My brother is the subject. Circle that. Subject circle. Circle the subject and rectangle the object. My brother circle. What he paid? He paid the bill. The bill. The bill should be in the rectangle shape. Okay? Make a rectangle to the bill. Next. Salman helped the old lady. Who helped the old lady? Salman. Salman circle. Circle Salman. Whom Salman helped? The old lady. Old lady should be in rectangle shape. The old lady. The old lady rectangle shape. Shaded. Okay. Next. Ramesh jumped over the rack. Who jumped over the rack? Ramesh. Ramesh is the subject. Circle the subject. And jumped over the rack. Where he jumped? Over the rock. The rock. The rock. Make a rectangle. It is an object. The rock. We fixed our bikes. Who fixed our bikes? We. We is a subject. Circle that. We circle our bikes. Make a rectangle. Our bikes. Okay. Next. Peter's grandfather gave us chocolates. Who gave us chocolates? Peter's grandfather. Make a circle. Peter's grandfather. Make a circle. What he gave us? He gave us chocolates. Chocolates is the object. Make a rectangle. Chocolate is the object now. Make a rectangle. Next. Arjun broke the vase. Who broke the vase? Arjun. Arjun is the subject. Arjun is the subject. Make a circle. What he broke? The vase. Vase is the object. It should be in rectangle shape. The vase should be in a rectangle shape. I knocked the door twice. Who knocked the door? I. I is a subject. Circle the I. Circle I. What he knocked? The door. The door is the object. Make a rectangle. The door. Make a rectangle. Tina bought a puppy. Who bought a puppy? Tina. Tina is a subject. Make a circle. What he bought? A puppy. Puppy should be in a puppy should be in rectangle shape. A puppy should be in rectangle shape. Next. Sanjay fought with Vijay. Who fought with Vijay? Sanjay. Sanjay is a subject. Make a circle. Whom he fought with? Who fought with? Vijay. Vijay is in rectangle shape. Okay. Next. Kiran fell down from his bicycle. Who fell down? Kiran. Kiran should be in Circle. Kiran in circle. His bicycle is in rectangle shape. Make a rectangle for his bicycle. Raju went to the park. Who went to the park? Raju. Raju is subject. Make a circle to Raju. Where he went? The park. The park is in rectangle shape because it is the object. Meena is waiting for the bus. Who is waiting for the bus? Meena. Meena is in circle shape. Meena is in circle shape. For what? Meena is waiting for the bus. The bus should be in rectangle shape. The bus should be in rectangle shape. Okay? They clapped for the team. Who clapped? They. They is a subject. The team is in rectangle shape. The team is in rectangle shape. Ali boarded the train. Who boarded the train? Ali. Ali is the subject. The train is the object. Ali circle the train, make a rectangle. Okay? It's completed. Next, tick the direct object and cross indirect object. Direct object means the teacher wrote a letter to the principal. The teacher wrote a letter to the principal. Here, who wrote a letter? The teacher. The teacher is the subject. The subject. Now we had to find out the direct object and also indirect object. Here, if direct object, if you question yourself, what he wrote, the answer is a direct object. Direct object. What he wrote? He wrote a letter. Letter is a direct object. This is a direct object. To whom he wrote? To whom he wrote? To the principal. The principal is the indirect object. Indirect object. If you question directly, what? Where? If you question like that, the answer is a direct object. To whom? With what? If you question like that, that is an indirect object. Okay? Here. The teacher wrote a letter to the principal. Here the direct object is a letter. Letter. Tick to letter. And the indirect object is principal. Keep a cross mark to the principal because it is an indirect object. This is the direct object. This is an indirect object. For the direct object, we have to keep right mark. For the indirect object, we have to keep cross mark. Next, second one. My mother cooked a meal for our guest. My mother is a subject. What she prepared? What she prepared? What? The answer is a direct object. The answer is a direct object. What she prepared? Meal. Meal. Tick to meal. Meal is the direct object. Meal is the direct object. For what she is preparing? For whom she is preparing? For whom she is preparing? For the guest. Guest is the indirect object. Cross to guest. Keep a cross mark to the guest. Meal right and the guest cross. My grandmother told us a story about an elephant. My grandmother is a subject. What she told her? What she told her? What she told? What is a direct object. What she told her? Story. Story is a direct object. Tick to that. Make a tick mark. For story, make a tick mark. About what? About what is an indirect object. About what? About an elephant. Elephant is the indirect object. Cross to that. Cross. Keep a cross mark to the elephant. Okay. Next, the Prime Minister gave a medal to Abdul. Prime Minister is a subject. What he gave? Medal. What he gave? Medal is a direct object. Medal is a direct object. Tick to that. Tick to medal. Keep a right mark to the medal. And to whom? To whom he gave the medal? To Abdul. Abdul is an indirect object. Keep a cross mark. Keep a cross mark to Abdul. Okay, next. She showed her husband the photographs. What she showed? Sorry. To who? She showed her husband the photograph. What she showed? The photograph. Photograph is a direct object. What she showed? Photograph. Photograph is a direct object. Keep a right mark to photographs. To whom she showed? To her husband. Husband is an indirect object. Cross mark. Cross mark for the husband. Right mark for the photograph. Okay. Next, the principal distributed sweets to the students. What the principal distributed? Sweets. Sweets is a direct object. Keep a right mark to sweets. Keep a right mark to sweets. To whom he distributed? To the students. Students is the indirect object. Students, keep cross mark. And the sweets, right mark. Right mark for the sweets, cross mark for the students. Next, I wrote a letter to my brother. What I wrote? Letter. Letter is the direct object. Keep a right mark. Right mark for letter. To whom he wrote? To whom I wrote? To my mother. My mother is the indirect object. Keep a cross mark. My mother, cross mark. Okay. Preeti gave Santosh her books. What Preeti gave? Her books. What Preeti gave? Books. Books is a direct object. Keep a right mark for books. To whom? To Santosh. Santosh is the indirect object. Cross mark. For Santosh, cross mark. Books, right mark. Keep right mark for the books. Cross mark for the Santosh. Okay? Work is completed. Close. Take your activity book. I'll give homework to you. Take your activity book. Okay. Here, picture comprehension skills. Look at the pictures and write a story of your own describing the actions of the animals. Make sure the sentences have a subject and predicate. Here, you must write a story. Once upon a time, there was a forest. A lot of animals are there in the forest. One day, they held a meeting. In that meeting, what they are doing? What the different animals' actions? What they were doing? What the different animals are doing? See, Nana, what is the teddy bear doing? The teddy bear is walking here and there. Here, what is the lion doing? The lion is jumping in the water, or dipping in the water. Diving in the water. Water padutundi. Next, what is the cat? What is the tiger doing? Tiger is looking at the lion. What is the chimpanzee doing? It is climbing the tree. Here, what is the monkey doing? Monkey is eating banana. Okay? Carrying the bananas. Like that, you must write a story. What the different animals are doing. Just you must write what the different animals. What is the monkey doing? What is the chimpanzee doing? What is the giraffe doing? What are the animals you have seen in the picture? What are the animals you have seen in the picture? You have seen some of the animals in the picture now? What they were doing. What they were doing, you must write the sentences. That is your work. What are the different animals? Different animals, lion, tiger, chimpanzee, giraffe, teddy bear, monkey, tiger. Like different animals are there, no? What they were doing, you have to write. Okay? Will you write? What they were doing, you have to write. Take next. Read the conversation given below and do as directed. The Gatsby monkey had the habit of spreading news in the forest. He made an important announcement to his only audience. The rabbit and the parrot, unfortunately, both of them were slightly deaf. Gatsby monkey. Monkey is a habit of spreading the news to all. Monkey is somewhat too active. This monkey is too active. Whenever the monkey heard any news, whenever the monkey heard any news, soon after it will spread to all of the animals. It won't sleep if this won't spread. The monkey won't sleep when if it won't spread the news to all of them. అందరికీ దాని చెవులో పడ్డ విషయం అన్ని యానిమల్స్ చెప్పకపోతే దాన్ని నిద్ర పట్టదు. That is called Gatsby monkey. Anybody are there in your classroom like that? Anybody are there? If a person has any news, soon after he spread the news to all of the class. That is called gossips. Okay? Here one of the monkeys there. He is spreading the news to rabbit and also parrot. It is spreading. It's no new one, no news. Monkey oka matter telisindra. It knows one news. Now it is spreading to all of the dear ones. What are the dear ones? Rabbit and also the parrot. Unfortunately, on that day, rabbit and also parrot both were deaf. Slightly deaf. They are not hearing properly. Unfortunately, both are become deaf. What happened we will see. The lion killed the jackal. Monkey said to rabbit. Here, monkey said to rabbit. What she said? The lion killed the jackal. Understand? The gasped monkey. What she knows? She know the matter. What is the matter? The lion killed the jackal. The lion killed the jackal. It said to the rabbit. Rabbit, who is talking about? It didn't hear. It was deaf, no? Rabbit was deaf, no, today? That's what it is not hearing clearly. దానికి సరిగా వినబడట్లేదు. వినబడక ఏమంటుంది? Who is talking about? What I am talking about? To whom you are talking about? Rabbit asked. He is talking about the lion. Parrot heard that news and saying that the monkey is talking about the lion. Oh yes, the lion. What did the lion do? Oh, the monkey is talking about the lion. Then what did the lion do? What did the lion do? Lion ఏం చేసింది? The rabbit is asking. Then the parrot also slightly deaf. Parrot కూడా కొంచెం డెఫ్ అయింది ఈరోజు. The lion killed the wolf. Actually, it killed a jackal. But she heard a little bit. And it is saying that the lion killed the wolf. The wolf. Are you sure? Oh, wolf na. Are you sure? I think so. No, I think he said the elephant killed the lion. Understand? That's wrong. The rabbit. Here the parrot is telling that the lion killed the wolf. But the rabbit is saying, no, not like that. The elephant killed the lion. Understand me? Both are deaf now. Today, the parrot and also rabbit both are deaf. Actually, monkey said the lion killed the jackal. But they understood, the parrot understood that the lion killed the wolf. The rabbit understand the elephant killed the lion. Okay? Our deaf persons are like that. The deaf persons are like that. If you say one thing, they understand another thing. The deaf are like that. చూడు ఉన్న వాళ్ళు అలాగే ఉంటారు. మనం ఒక మాట మాట్లాడితే వాళ్ళకి ఇంకోటి అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుంది. We will talk something. They understand another. That is a problem with the deaf people. Understand? And now, identify the subject and object in the statements made by the monkey, the rabbit and parrot. Monkey. What did the monkey say? The lion killed the jackal. What is the subject there? What is the subject? What is subject? The lion. The lion is the subject. What is the object? What she killed? Jackal. Next, what did the rabbit say? Rabbit said that the elephant killed the lion. The elephant killed the lion. Okay, what is subject? The elephant is the subject. What she killed? Lion. Lion is the object. Elephant and also lion. Parrot. What the parrot said? The lion killed the wolf. Here lion is the subject. Wolf is the object. Okay? Complete. Next. Take next space. Direct object and indirect object. The man gave gifts to the girl. What man gave? Gift. Gift is a direct object. Circle it. Circle the direct object, underline the indirect object. Circle for the direct object, underline for the indirect object. Here, the man gave gifts. Gifts is a direct object. Circle, circle gift, underline the girl. Girl, gift, circle, girl, underline. She sold a doll to the tourist. What she sold? A doll. Doll is a direct object. Circle. Tourist is the indirect object. Underline. I bought my sister a toy. What I bought? A toy. Toy is a direct object. Toy, circle. My sister, underline. A toy is a direct object. Circle that. My sister, underline. Okay. The teacher gave her students a test. What she gave? A test. A test, circle. A test, circle. Students, underline. Students, underline. He told a story to his friends. What he told? Story. Story, circle. Friends, underline. Story, circle. Friends, underline. They searched for him in the park. Whom they searched? Him. Him, H-I-M, him. Circle, park, underline. Him, circle, park, underline. Raju gave Sarah an ice cream. What he gave? Ice cream. Ice cream, circle. Sarah, underline. Ice cream, circle. Sarah, underline. David lent a book to Ahmed. A book, circle. Ahmed, underline. A book, circle. Ahmed, underline. Okay? Amma, color the picture given below in your favorite colors. Okay? This is your enjoying time. You must color this picture. Okay? That is, the colors are as your choice. Next, take next page. Here, the words given here are characteristics, traits of some animals. Paste stickers of the animals which best represents the given characteristic trait. Slow. What is slow? Here, their character is given, and here the animals are given. Side, the animals are given. Here, the character is given. Slow, ferocious, strong, peaceful, mischievous, loyal, chatty, cunning, fast, intelligent, colorful, sharp vision. Here, slow. What is the, which animal is very slow? Tata is very slow, no? Here, Tata is not here. You have to paste the Tata is at the back side of the book. At the end of the book, some of the pictures, the all animals and birds pictures are there. What you have to do? You have to paste here the tortoise. Here tortoise is no. You have to paste the sticker according to their place. Here, which animal is very slow? Tortoise. What you have to do? You have to cut the sticker and you have to paste here. Understand? Here, ferocious. Elephant. Elephant. Next, strong. Lion is strong. Peaceful. Pigeon is peaceful. Mischievous. Monkey. Monkey is mischievous. Mischievous means doing dirty. Loyal. Loyal. Dog is loyal because it may guard our house. Loyal means dog. Talkative. Which is talkative? Parrot is talkative. Okay? It can talk now, so parrot. Cunning. Fox is cunning. It's dangerous animal. Fox is cunning. Fast. Cheetah. Cheetah can run very fast. Cheetah. Okay? Next. Intelligent. Dolphin is intelligent. Dolphin is intelligent. Next. Colorful. Butterfly is colorful. Which is colorful? Butterfly. Sharp vision. Eagle is having the sharp vision. Okay? What you have to do? Here the stickers are there. You have to cut them and paste here. That's your work. Okay? Next. Tick the subject, underline the predicate and circle the object. The dog found a bone. The dog. The dog. Dog. Keep right mark. I will write at the bone, Anna. The dog found a bone. The dog is a subject. Sorry. We have to keep right mark now. Dog right mark. Found a bone, underline and circle the bone. Actually, this total is predicate. This total is called found a bone is called predicate. And also he asked only circle the object. So bone is the object. Rajesh boarded the ship. Amma Rajesh, keep right mark. This is subject. This is a predicate. And the ship is the object. Ahmad won the race. Ahmad underline. So keep right mark. Underline the predicate and circle the object. A dog barked at the squirrel. At the squirrel. Dog right mark. This is a predicate and the squirrel is the object. The postman delivered. The postman delivered his letter. This letter. Postman is subject. This is a predicate. And letter is the object. Letter is the object. She is teaching her students math. Math means mathematics, amma. Math. She subject. It is predicate. Math is the object. And also students also object. This is the direct object. This is the indirect object. Peter is looking for Amy. Peter, right mark. It is a predicate. Amy is the object. Raju threw the ball. Raju is the subject. Remaining part is a predicate. Ball is the object. Okay. Page number 18 and page number 14. Page number 14 and page number 18. Both pages are your homework. Complete the homework. Okay. Bye.